Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to rename a project in a Base44. Now once you are on their dashboard, scroll down until you find your project that you had created. You can go ahead and open this up in a new tab or just click on it. And then once it loads up, all I want you to do is come here at the bottom left and then click on this gear cog. Okay? And then click on app settings. Now here, click on overview and you should see your project or app name. And all you need to do is just click on this and just go ahead and rename this. So let me rename this to Smooth Task. Okay, there we go. Press enter and our project or app has been renamed. And that is how you can go ahead and rename a project in Base 44.